Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to include photos and videos in your Viber chat backup on your phone. Backing up your messages along with media files ensures that you never lose important conversations. Photos. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Account. Once inside the account settings, tap on Viber Backup. You will see an option to include photos and videos in your backup. Simply turn on Include Photos and Videos. This will ensure that every backup you create will also save your important photos and video files along with your messages. You can now manually backup your chats or set up automatic backups with media included. This way, all your conversations, images, and videos will be securely stored in your Viber backup.